Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Apple 70-watt USB-C power adapter. In this video, we will take a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone needing reliable charging for their Apple devices. Designed with fast and efficient charging capabilities, this adapter ensures that you have the power you need, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. Starting with its key characteristics, the 70-watt USB-C power adapter is compact and easy to carry, perfect for travel or stationary use. It is fully compatible with a wide array of USB-C devices and is versatile regarding pairing with a variety of charging cables, making it a multifunctional option for modern electronic users. It is notably recommended by Apple to be paired with the 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air equipped with the M2 chip, the 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2016 and onwards, as well as the 14-inch MacBook Pro, optimizing performance for these devices particularly. When paired with the MacBook Air M2, the power adapter supports ultra-fast charging that takes your device from a dead battery up to 50% in approximately 30 minutes, which is truly impressive for users on the go. The construction quality of the power adapter reflects Apple's meticulous design standards, ensuring durability and aesthetic compatibility with their product lineup. Its functionality in everyday situations speaks volumes about its efficiency. Whether in use for quick top-ups during meetings, ensuring uninterrupted work on long projects, or providing robust charging for high-performance apps, the device delivers on its promises. With its 70-watt power output, it handles power-hungry devices effectively, filling a key niche between lower-power adapters and bulkier, higher-power solutions. To present a balanced view, it's important to note that the charging cable required for usage is not included with the power adapter, which might add to the overall cost for potential buyers. Additionally, while its price point reflects its brand pedigree and capabilities, it might seem like an investment, particularly for users seeking basic charging solutions. However, these considerations do not overshadow the adapter's impressive efficiency and convenience. Comparing it with alternatives on the market, this adapter neatly bridges the gap between compact but lower capacity chargers and larger, less portable options, establishing itself as a unique option for those requiring both performance and versatility. While third-party chargers might compete in price, Apple's proprietary adapter remains unmatched in optimized performance and seamless integration with Apple devices. To maximize its utility, we recommend investing in a high-quality, compatible USB-C charging cable that complements your device's requirements, ensuring optimal charging speed and safety. Storing it in a travel case while commuting would prolong its lifespan by preventing wear and tear. Overall, the Apple 70-watt USB-C power adapter is a sound investment for professionals, students, and anyone requiring reliable and efficient power solutions for Apple devices.